Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Charleston, level 1.
Hey.
Peter. We did kickaways and a little around the world in kickaways. Here's what it looks like from this angle. Bop, bop, bop. If I count it, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on our basic. That's when we cut it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Put your hand there. Once we're doing kickaways, all these double kicks, we can just keep going. Single kick, double. Now we're back. Double. So we got double kick, single, double kick. We come back, and anytime I just grab my partner around the back. We'll show from this angle, and you can really see getting into the kickaways and getting out of the kickaways. Kick, ha, hip, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, and 2, ha. Every time our kids are hip, we're going again. And if you want to go around, you go around. Ha, ha, hip. Single kick. When I'm done, instead of the hip, I come back to the back. Ba, ba, and we're done. And that